So we're going to be showing how to fill a Hydra brake that's completely empty, or after a rebuild to refill it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open your needle valve up as far as you can without completely removing it. If you open it up all the way and you remove it, it's not going to help you any. You take your actuating rod, pull all the way down. Then you're going to want to take your oil gun to your Zerk. Start filling. This might take more pumps than you're seeing here. My rod's out. Stroke the Hydra brake a few times to get the air moving around in there. Now you're going to want to take your paper clip. You're going to want to bleed the Hydra brake. You're going to want to just push down on that ball detent. You're going to get bubbles and you're going to get oil. Just bleed it until you stop seeing bubbles. You want to start filling it again. Move the air around. Begin bleeding it again through the Zerk fitting. Now once you're confident there's no more air and you stop seeing air bubbles come through, you know you're good. And then you're going to want to set your distance. You're going to set this distance, so you'll push your rod all the way up. Now in this case, instead of adding oil, we're going to take more oil away because this is out too far. So you're going to bleed it again. That's about right. You're going to want this particular size of Hydra brake a 1/2 inch. So you close up your needle valve, and that's it. Put your cap back on. Take your wrench, just a 1/4 turn past hand tight. You're back in business.
Explain why you have it at an angle.
The reason why you want this at an angle is so that way any air in the system can make its way to the Zerk fitting where you're going to want to bleed it.